let's do a Givenchy unboxing. This is Givenchy Beauty. This is the Givenchy Beauty bag in color pink. I love it. These are the Givenchy products. This is what Givenchy sent over. We have all these. This is the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE foundation. This is the Givenchy Skin Caring PRISME LIBRE. This is ROUGE INTERDIT by Givenchy. One of Givenchy's most famous lipsticks. These products are so good. You could shop Givenchy on the links listed below in the description box. See you soon.